Hello friends, welcome to my channel Dream Power. Now today I will show you how to delete the background from any Photoshop. Now let's start the project. First of all, open your Photoshop program, then select any image you want to delete the background. I have selected this image. I want to delete this background from my body. I want to just keep my body here and delete all those background. For that, first of all, you have to do one thing. Go to your layer box. In any Photoshop you have a layer box. Go to layer box, then select your photo here, its name background, and drag it to layer, this layer, and copy it. Now you can see there that there is two copy of background and background copy. Now delete the background. Here it is, the locked background. Drag it to dustbin and delete it. Now we have the copy. Now we can delete the background easily. First select the magic tool and select the background. It is not covering all the areas because it is both. Go to 100, then select the background. Now you can see that my sky is selected but not the grass. Then I delete the sky. Now click on the delete button on your keyboard. Okay, now you can see that our sky has been deleted. You can delete any photos background like this. This is a easy technique for any Photoshop user. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel, and if you like my video, please give a small like to it. Thanks again.